like the end of a run. Folks turned their backs, walked right out the door, but you stood firm, said that's what love is for. While I was breaking,